Good morning to all. My name is Subramani from Cholan Materials Secondary School. This is 3D pen. 3D pen is a portable 3D printer. It's like an handheld 3D printer, but with no software needed. Just your imagination. You can build using 3D printer in the air and trace on the paper. Thank you. Let's see the demo.